morning Shem stars, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. So let's start with it.
Future continuous tense is made up of two elements, the simple future of the verb to be plus the present participle base plus ing. The structure of future continuous is subject plus will be plus first form of the verb with ing. For example, you will be watching. I will be staying. He will be staying. It is written in three different forms: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I will be staying. Affirmative form. I won't be staying. Negative form. Will I be staying? Interrogative form. The questions will begin with will. We will be staying. We won't be staying. Will we be staying? So this table is showing the different forms of future continuous tense. If we talk about the functions, future continuous refers to an unfinished action or event that will be in progress at a time later than now. The future continuous is used for a quite few different purposes. The future continuous can be used to project ourselves into the future. For example, this time next week, I will be sunbathing in Bali. By Christmas, I will be skiing like a pro. Just think, next Monday you will be working in your new job. So we are projecting ourselves into the future. Second usage, future continuous can be used for predicting or guessing about future events. For example, he will be coming to the meeting, I expect. I guess you will be feeling thirsty after working in the sun. You will be missing the sunshine once you are back in England. Third usage, in the interrogative form, the future continuous can be used to ask politely for information about the future. For example, will you be bringing your friend to the pub tonight? Will Jim be coming with us? Will she be going to the party tonight? Will I be sleeping in the room? The future continuous can be used to refer to continuous events that we expect to happen in the future. Example, I will be seeing Jim at the conference next week. When he is in Australia, he will be staying with friends. I'll be eating with Jane this evening so I can tell her. When combined with still, the future continuous refers to events that are already happening now and that we expect to continue sometime into the future. For example, in an hour, I'll be still be ironing my clothes. Tomorrow, he will still be suffering from this cold. Next year, will she still be wearing a size 6? Won't stock prices still be falling in the morning? Unfortunately, sea level will still be rising in 20 years. So, in these situations, we are referring to the events that are already happening now and we expect them to continue in the future also.
This was all about future continuous tense. In next video, we will discuss about future perfect tense. If you have any doubt, you can drop on Google Class. Take care, Shem stars. Thank you.